Imagine your face, say hello to me, and all the bad days are nothing to me with you. Winter bear.
It's the same old story being told. Try to straighten up my thoughts with me. Let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause the store won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go too soon. Oh, I'd be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in. Days pass and I'm still the same inside my head.
I got a package from Depop. I ordered it like a week ago, and I'm really excited to see what it looks like whatever I ordered. So, yay! Wow! Oh my God, she gave a free sticker.
Let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Letting go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in.
Imagine your face, say hello to me, and all the bad days are nothing to me with you. Winter bear. Sleep like a winter bear. I'm still on my social networks, hoping for a tweet that would work for me, so you can talk to me. Go on and start a conversation with me. And it's still a mobile sign right next to you. I'm reading through the messages that I sent you one yesterday and the day before, 'cause the day you just chose to ignore me. Closed doors, locked in, no keys, keeping my feelings hidden. There is no ease, needed to stop. I wanna be able to open up, but my feelings are fatal. Oh, my feelings feelings are fatal. Oh, 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 my feelings are fatal. Oh, oh. Thank you guys so much for watching. I didn't really do much today compared to other days. Today was more of like a day off since it's Monday. Usually I work on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and then the rest I have as work days for YouTube. And today was one of those days, and I just didn't have anything to do. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me cook and like live my life, I guess. I find it entertaining and therapeutic in some ways, and I hope it does the same to you guys, or if anything, like make you guys happy. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and I hope we all keep growing. Bye.